Good morning to all the schools that are following us on the Antarctic Quest 21 expedition on Like to Be. Today is Saturday, the 18th of December, and we've had a really exciting couple of days. We've had some pretty high winds, and you'll see from the videos that we've had to protect the tent against the winds. And you'll see that living conditions here inside the tent can be pretty challenging at times. We had strong winds gusting to over 40 knots, which is very, very, very strong. And we did have, unfortunately, 2 snapped tent poles. So we had to get outside the tent and repair the tent and protect the tent by digging a snow wall around the tent to protect us from the wind. So that was our first challenge on Friday the 17th. We then took some of our food, our dehydrated meals, and we skied about 3-4 kilometers from the camp up some pretty big slopes, being really careful to avoid crevasses. And then we left our food. So we leave our food at a depot or a cache point, so that we're not always traveling with a very, very, very heavy sledge. So that was yesterday. It was a very enjoyable day. And today we've woke up with this amazing clear day. The sun is shining, there's no wind, and it's really, really beautiful. In fact, our biggest worry today is actually catching the sun and burning our skin and our nose and our lips. So we're having to either wear a balaclava to protect ourselves from the sun, or using very high factor sun cream to protect us as well. So it's been it's a great day to wake up next to. The other rope team, so that's Paul, Rich, Martin and Phil, they're doing what we did yesterday, and they're taking a load of food and fuel up to the same depot point and caching it there. So great day. Any questions that are coming in, please do keep them coming. We'll also talk about the science a little bit later on as well. So if you're interested in the science, then please check back for more updates around the science that we're doing on the expedition. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for following. Goodbye from Antarctica on the 18th of December.